What are private markets? Private markets are simply any market which is off exchange or not on a public market system. The greater majority of public trading systems are exchanges. Many people are familiar with the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, and the commodities exchanges such as the CME and the CBOE. People are not familiar with private markets because they're for accredited investors only and are mostly private. In other words, companies do not publish financial information and other information as public companies are required to do. So for example, if you want to buy Apple stock, you can find out everything about what they did last quarter, what were their earnings, what kind of products they have, and everything else. Private companies do not have such disclosure requirements, so it's difficult to find information on private companies. So for that reason, private markets are shrouded in secrecy. But I would say the best example of a private market that everyone is familiar with is real estate. Anytime you buy or sell a house or any real estate asset, you have a similar private equity transaction. You have a buyer, you have a seller, and you have an official process that you must go through. Most private transactions don't use escrow as real estate transactions do. In some states they require it, in other states it's only for the wire payment, and there's varying rules that are state by state, but the concept and the market and the process are all very similar. So if you're confused about private markets, just think about real estate, but instead of buying a house, you're buying shares in a company or, for example, a business.